Hello everyone, this is Prarthna and welcome back my channel. Prarthna is here. So if you are confused how to start speaking English, so you are very right place. In this video I'm going to share with you one by one 5 tips what I did, how I did learn English. So this video very helpful for you. So must watch this video till the end. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe and press the bell icon. So guys, I'm making this video for my subscriber, because one of my subscriber, she asked, ma'am, please share how you did learn English. So I'm going to make this video especially her request. So in the last I will share very important thing, so must watch this video till the end. Okay, so let's begin. So guys, when I started my English learning journey, so first I focused too much listening, because listening is very important. I did listening practice a lot, but in the beginning we confused. Like I was also confused what I listen, because someone say listen speech, someone say listen conversation video, someone say listen any good speaker. So I faced that problem. I'm going to share with you. Like I unable to understand in the beginning when I started my journey. समझ नहीं पाती थी वो चीज. Like अगर मैं कोई conversation video देखती थी, if I watch any conversation video, तो वो चीज मैं समझ नहीं पाती थी. First we have to choose our level. I wasted my a lot of time because I didn't know what I should listen. So I just sometime I watched the conversation video, sometime I watched speech. So I was confused. We are just wasted our time. We have to choose our level. What is our level? So if you are able to understand conversation video 50%, so it means you are good. You can watch. And if you are unable to understand any conversation video, so you can choose cartoon. Actually I also watched cartoon a lot. In the beginning I watched cartoon because I was unable to understand speech, I was unable to understand conversation video, so I just choose cartoon video. And it's so funny, there also grammar use very good and we can understand very easily. So there are lots of cartoon video like Peppa Pig, Mila and Marvel, and just you choose a story video, Chuchu TV stories. So you can listen in the beginning. If you able to understand speech, so you just listen speech. But do one thing, whatever video you listen, so you just watch 2 and 3 times one video, because I did a lot. And so it's a help you. First choose what is your level, where you comfortable, and just watch like those video. Okay. And second thing, I made my solo video. Solo video means akele ka video, like you are watching. This is my solo video. So it's helped me a lot, because solo video we have to speak more and more and alone. कि अकेले उसमें आपको बोलना होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. So you just start making your solo video. It's helped me a lot. So I'm pretty sure it's help you also. If you make every day your solo video, it's help you a lot. So guys, third thing, conversation video. Conversation, speaking. Conversation means we have to talk to anyone. I started my conversation video 5 months ago. So it's helped me a lot improve my English, and I'm pretty sure it's helped you also a lot. So whatever in your mind, you just deliver that thing. Don't think I'm doing mistakes, so what people think about me. No one have enough time. You just think one thing while speaking to anyone. That person he doesn't know any other language, and she doesn't know any other language. She or he only knows English. So we have to communicate with them. So it's help you a lot, boost your confidence level and public speaking. Whenever you go anywhere, so you just speak front of anyone. It's help me a lot boost my confidence level. So you must do speaking practice. And there are lots of app you can use. Hybro app, SS Fluency, Josh Talk app, whatever app you can use. And okay, so must do speaking practice because speaking is very important. And fourth thing, when I able to speak, so I started focus my grammar part. Because if we want to speak good English, so we have to improve our grammar level. But in the beginning I didn't focus, because in the beginning whenever I moved into grammar, so I was just a face stuck. When I realized I have to work on my grammar part, so then I started working on my grammar part. Still I'm working, with. Sometimes I do grammatical mistake because while speaking we forget that thing. It's need a too much practice. So fourth thing, I work on my grammar part. And fifth thing, very 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 important, whatever you do, so you just maintain consistency. Consistency is very important. If you do anything, maybe your journey is different, like everyone have their own journey. So you just maintain consistency. I did same thing, still I'm doing. Because whenever we take break 1 and 2 days, 3 days, 1 week, so we just drop our fluency. So we have to maintain consistency. If you do listening practice, so you have to consistent. If you do speaking practice, so you have to consistent. If you do grammar practice, so you have to do consistent. If you do anything, so you have to consistent. And guys, I'm pretty sure if you will do a 5 thing, so you able to speak good English after 2 and 3 months. So must do. If you have any questions, so you can drop in comment box. And this is few tips I share with you how I improve my English. And for next video, till then, bye bye.